Fashion rules? What fashion rules? Hey everyone, let's talk about breaking those outdated fashion rules that are holding you back from unleashing your true style potential. Remember, fashion is about having fun, experimenting, and showcasing your individuality. Get ready to unleash your inner fashion icon because we're about to rewrite the rules of style together. White after Labor Day? Groundbreaking. Let's shatter one of the oldest fashion myths. No white after Labor Day. White is a timeless and chic color that can be rocked all year round. Pair a crisp white blouse with tailored trousers for fall, or a white knit sweater with jeans for winter. The key is to make white work for you, regardless of the season. Break free from this tired rule and embrace the elegance of white all year long. Socks and sandals, the ultimate fashion faux pas. Think again, let's address another fashion don't socks with sandals. When done right, this pairing can add a touch of cool and quirky charm to your look. Opt for statement socks with bold collars or playful patterns that complement your sandals. Think chunky knit socks with Birkenstocks for a cozy chic vibe, or sheer ankle socks with strappy sandals for a touch of femininity. Experiment and find what works for you. This unexpected combination can elevate your style and turn heads for all the right reasons. Mixing prints. A fashion no-no? Absolutely not. Let's debunk the myth, never mix prints. Mixing prints is like adding spice to your outfit. Start small and pair prints that share a common color palette or theme. For instance, combine a floral blouse with striped trousers that have hints of the same colors. Mix prints with different sizes for a balanced look. Have fun and experiment until you find combinations that make you feel confident and stylish. Let's address the misconception that horizontal stripes make you look wider. Horizontal stripes can be flattering when styled correctly. Opt for thinner stripes and garments with a flattering silhouette. Pair a fitted top with horizontal stripes with high-waisted pants or a skirt for a balanced look. Confidence is key. If you feel good in horizontal stripes, rock them with pride. Let's talk about maxi dresses. Some say petite women can't rock a maxi dress. Wrong. Choose a maxi dress that fits well in the shoulders and bust, and consider the length carefully. Opt for a dress that falls to your ankles or just grazes the floor. Vertical details like ruffles or a V neckline can help elongate your frame. Add a belt to cinch your waist for a defined silhouette. The right maxi dress can make you look and feel amazing, regardless of your height. Who says sequins are only for evening wear? Embrace the joy of sparkle in your everyday life. Style sequins in a way that feels appropriate for daytime. Pair a sequin top or blazer with jeans and sneakers for a chic look. Balance the sparkle with casual pieces to create a stylish and wearable daytime outfit. Denim on denim, it's a yes from me. Contrary to popular belief, denim on denim can be incredibly chic. Choose different washes or shades of denim to create contrast. Pair a light wash denim shirt with dark wash jeans. Add interest with different denim textures or a pop of color. Denim on denim is a versatile trend, so experiment and make it your own. Black and navy, a fashion match made in heaven. Black and navy complement each other beautifully. Choose pieces in different fabrics and textures to add depth. Pair a navy blue silk blouse with black tailored trousers. Add a pop of color with accessories. Black and navy is a timeless and elegant color combination. Mixing metals, gold and silver, a match made in fashion heaven. Mixing metals is a great way to add visual interest. Choose pieces that complement each other. Stick to a single style of jewelry and mix metals within that style. Create a cohesive and stylish look that reflects your personal taste. Handbag and shoes. Matchy-matchy is out. Gone are the days when your accessories had to match exactly. Mix and match your accessories to create a cohesive look that reflects your personal style. Choose pieces that complement each other in terms of color, style, or texture. Sneakers with dresses or skirts? Absolutely. This trend is comfortable, stylish, and effortlessly chic. Choose the right type of sneakers and dress or skirt to create a balanced outfit. Pair a flowy maxi dress with classic white sneakers. Experiment with different colors and styles of sneakers to find what works best for you. White hot summer, white hot all year long. While white is a classic summer color, it can be chic in winter too. Embrace the versatility of white and experiment with different ways to incorporate it into your winter wardrobe. Accessories, more is more, darling. Don't be afraid to pile on the accessories. Experiment with different necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and more to find what works best for you. Have fun and express your personal style. Belt and shoes, a match made in fashion heaven. No way! Matching your belt and shoes is outdated. Mix and match your belt and shoes to create a more interesting look. Choose pieces that complement each other in terms of color, style, or texture. Red and pink, a fashion faux pas. Think again. These two bold colors can look amazing together. Choose the right shades and balance them with neutral colors. Pair a bright red top with a pale pink skirt. Age-appropriate dressing. Dress for yourself, darling. There's no such thing as age-appropriate dressing. Fashion is about expressing yourself and feeling confident. Wear what makes you feel good regardless of your age. Casual and formal wear. Mix it up. Some of the most stylish looks combine pieces from different dress codes. Strike a balance and choose pieces that complement each other. Pair a sequin top with jeans or a blazer with a t-shirt. Dress up a casual outfit with heels or dress down a formal outfit with flats. Statement pieces, more is more, I say. Don't be afraid to make a statement. Layering multiple statement pieces creates a bold look. Choose pieces that complement each other. Pair a statement necklace with statement earrings or a statement belt with a statement bag. Mix and match different colors, textures, and materials. Fashion is about having fun and expressing yourself. Unleash your inner fashion icon. We've debunked outdated fashion rules and empowered you to embrace your unique style. Fashion is a form of self-expression, so have fun experimenting and creating looks that make you feel fabulous. Mix and match Experiment with colors, patterns and textures, and wear what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Unleash your inner fashion icon. Please like and follow for more fashion tips.